Hindi.
First person down. Shot five, shot five.
Habol na lang.
Yes, shot five, shot five.
Okay.
Okay na.
First person foul number 4. Number 4, Paulina Bautista, Pravini. Number 26, Santos. Quizon do elevado. Jogueiro. Gustoso. Cidadinho. Confira na bola. Patini. Jogueiro.
Meron pala. Sorry. Eli ko ba?
Elevado. There's the whistle, foul, there's number 11, blocking foul, P-shot. One for penalty na ang elite. Last row. Miguel. Number 11. Capini. Rojas. Miguel. Alaparo. Bautista. Number 76. Vicente Capini. 3 seconds. Aquino. Number 37. Miguel, Ivan Capini, number 11. And there's the whistle, foul goes number 9. First personal foul. Bautista, releasing number 97. Miguel, Ivan number 37. Quizon, Elevado, Rodriguez. And there's the whistle, foul goes number 76. First personal foul. Penalty na. First kick. Pasok. Bautista. Number 11. Number 4. Sabi number 11. Steal. Busquets. Alabalo. Basket. Foul jersey number 97. Elite Basketball is scored 20-8. Favor of the garage.
Lagyan mo sa bulo.
Fifteen to shoot. Sapili number 11. Together. Alabado rebound number 17. Alabado ang nila. Alabado pass number ng Busta. Good by Busta. Fifteen on the shot, number 4. Miguel Santos. Number 6 Santos. Alabado. 3 points. Bautista. 35 seconds away. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. No good. Bautista. No good. Defense. Number 7, Rodriguez. Alabado. Basket. Foul jersey number 97. Second personal foul. Pasok. 5 seconds. And the first quarter is still 28 favor out of the garage. Second quarter. Abi. Santos sa Sevilla. Morgan. Adam. Tagadon. Gaston.
After game mo.
Pasok. Ali. Good goal to number 44. Reginiso. Ada Robinson.
Nice one, Otto! Nice one, Otto! Alala, sa video! Alala, sa bola!
Reginiso. Ada number 1. Back to Reginiso. Santos. Good goal two. Pagadon. Sudah Juniso. Number 44. To Santos. Back to Juniso. Sevilla. Morgan. There's Lisa, foul goes number 61. First personal foul. Yan na po, happy birthday. Time to shoot.
Buka lang, buka lang, sundan, buka lang!
Open. Regalo, we have 1/3. Winner. Juniso. Santos. Sevilla. Morgan. Pinatawag. Morgan. Pagkabilang. Foul goes number 35. He also going to keep arguing. First personal foul number 25. Score 32-14.
May isa pa kami yung second, di ba?
Back to the ball game. Good goal two. Samuel. Sevilla. Morgan. We have keep arguing. Tumaron. Pagkatuan. Malamito. To 1/3. Balas. Peranta Puga. Good goal two. Second personal foul. Ali. Isabela. Number 44. Mildred. Lawan, lihat sa kaduan. Ang Pangko. Hassan. Carlos Hugo. 26. Boss. Number 26, second personal foul. Reserve rebound sa naman. Tukisa, number 1, Adi. Sevilla. Sa naman. Pradili. Gizon, the Gizon. Good work, two on the basic. Olami, Pagaduan.
Nicely, nicely.
Kalusot. And there's a reason, foul goes Hero. Ubislava. Two shots. Defense number 66, Chip Argyle. First is good. Asap. Samuel. Olami. Miguel. Medical. Okay, step five. Number 23, Ogarina. Tizan, Bustos. Super 2. Bautista. Miguel. Alapado. Kizana. Rodela. Kizana Jurisa. Kizana. Argentina. Alapado. Corto. Severino. Foul goes over to one, pushing down. First personal down. And there is the whistle, foul jersey number 51. Second personal down. Third team down. Pasok ang una. Ang pangalawa. Pasok. Number 1, Kapili. 50 ang sama. Wala sa Kapili. Kapili. Gandang tiwak. Nodel. Iwan ang ulit. Third side. Season. 15 to shoot. Nodel. And the Teresa Valverde number 33. First personal foul number 33. Warning for penalty. Nodel, number 44. No. Sarjari number 33. Foul players number 2-4. First personal foul. Nodel. Number 27. Vinicius. Double foul. Number 17. Dana. With basketball.
Red ball. Double ball lang, di ba?
Release ball. Release.
Pwede namin eh.
Release. Kung na-shoot yun, tangke. Diba? Release ball.
Release ba?
Release.
Basketball game. Yep. Number 11, Kapili. Number 33. Good for 2. Number 33. Kapili. Number 17, number 37. And there's there's number 76, penalty. First 7. Miguel. Nahahasa. Apin. Paulina number 4. Number 11. Miguel. Miguel. Miguel the second. Hugo. Number 4. Bautista. Miguel. Fica. Number 2. 50 seconds to play. Siyam na lang kalaban. Number 44. Miguel. Number 43. Torgarina. And there is Ethan. Now goes number 024. Second personal foul. Pasok. Pasok. Nalisunod sila na balo. Miguel. Bautista. 15 seconds. 10 seconds to play. Offensive foul. Second personal foul. Number 76. Miguel. Now there's number 76. Second personal foul penalty. Pasok. Bahayan. And the first half is scored 40-32. Favor of Aligaraj.
Binigay ko sa kumain ka ng alim. Sira sila. Sa stats.
Bila.
Odon. Pagabuan. Check. Number 3. Santos. Foul goes number 66. Second personal foul, keep again. First is good. Toss up. Oh, it's one. Polani, up and three. Together. He's on. So that'll be the 6. Odon. Together. He's on. For Sevilla. He's on it. Together. Odon. One third. Together. Number 1, back pass, Pagaduan. Prabili. Kizan. Kizan, Santos, with the shooter. Together. Ivan Pagaduan. Sevilla. Kizan. Bustos. Together. Number 1. Polani. To have 1/3. Deep for 2 at the angle. Sevilla. Wisconsin. Number 2. Polani to Odon. Pass to Pagaduan. And there's a whistle. Foul goes to number 9. Substitution. Second personal foul. Sid. Odon. Secretary number 43. Noguera, Ivan Quezon. Santos. Alabado number 17. Alabado. Noguera. Secretary Odon. Karat number 1. Number 2. Sevilla. Rodriguez Alabado. 15 to shoot. Santos. Offensive foul. Number 26, Santos.
Timeout pag nakashoot.
Number 26, Santos, third personal foul. Saldarino to Odon. Pagaduan. Nice pass. Good pass to the and called timeout out of the garage. Allen scored 44 to 40. Pwede tayo ng out of the garage.
Pwede yung start yan.
Santos. Isa, Beginicio. Rodriguez, number 37. Tagaduan. Pokolangit. Tagaduan. Same ball. Oban, 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Tagaduan. Kill. Number 37. Rodriguez. There's number 33, Hit Box. Third personal foul number 33. Tatlo ka na, kaibigan. Dalawa na lang. Foul jersey number 26. Warning for foul out number 26, Santos. Third, deep down. He checked it, Tagaduan. Number 2. Alabado. Nice pass. Pineta. Number 20, Santos. And there's a whistle, foul jersey number 26, number 26, foul down.
Lima na yung 26. Nag-warning niya, kaanaw siya. Kaanaw siya, pare.
Nagbangko ba ka yan? Warning na kanina. Ano na naman, sir?
Lima na yung 26.
Lima. Hindi sabi.
Kaanaw siya, kaanaw siya. Idol, sinanaw, sawari.
Pasok. Junicio. 15 to shoot. He's on it. To Junicio. Number 2. Pagaduan. Alabado. And there's Rizal, foul number 61. One out. First person down. Third team down. Pascal.
Nice building.
Modal. Junicio. Oban. Zagarino. Nice pass already. Number 2. He's on it. 10 to shoot. Miscommunication.
Samuel, tulong. Tawid ko na, kasi tayo mo sila.
Substitution. Sila tawag.
Pare kayo, kumara ka muna.
Rodrigo. Rodrigo. Tumatol. Pinal. And there's a whistle. Foul goes number 57. Two-shot. Penalty. First was good. Okay. Move on. 11 to shoot. Oton. Number 1. Pagaduan. Pravidi.
Sige, kita yung saya. Tawid, tawid.
Here is it, 40 seconds to play. Bustos. The pass. Rejected. Olamid rebound. Vamos sa mga bola. Olamid. Salamat sa suwan, Oton. Number 33. No good.
Hey, bola, Samuel. Bola. Yung tawid ko lang.
Rodriguez. Samuel Undisana.
Guys, stop.
Olamid.
Kayo na, Martin.
Alabaya. No good. Tiwa Pagaduan. 3-1. Receive Pagaduan. Isang timeout na lang. Ang Aligaray sa break fire. Back to ball. Next game partner, Team Alpha, Alpha Guns, Warriors. Judicial number 4. Now playing for Judicial. Walking the 30 seconds to play. 15 on Solo. Alapano. Same ball. Bustos. Good. Oh, number 1. Pagaduan. Down. Foul jersey number 9. Penalty. Third Grizzle down. Pasok. Isa pa. Pasok. Juniso. One out of the way. 66 third, personal. One over penalty. Number 13, Ryan. On ball number 61. Easy, okay. Juniso. Number 85. Block ball, nice D. Shot clock is up, 23 seconds. Open to keep Pagaduan. And there's a whistle, foul goes number 17. Second personal foul. Adjust ng konti. Pasok. 15 seconds to go. Score 53-52. Ali, Juniso. Logan, 5 seconds. Logan, waiting for the buzzer. And the third quarter score 53-52. They were up out of range. Next game, Warriors up against Team Alpha. Open. Nice pass, number 1. Trouble. Bustos to Juniso. Bustos. Quezon. Trabili. Saint Woodland. Number 61. Otto. The number 51. So good. Alabado to Bustos. Number 9. And there's the one. Jersey number 51. First personal foul. Number 51, third personal foul.
sa ball yung boss.
First team down.
Gusto mo siya sa ilalim, wala na may bola, nakalayot na eh.
Hindi yan. Di ba yung ring lang dito? Dito. Siya, pamalayo. Sinuntan niya. Di ba? Ang mabigat, pagpunta doon sa court, pumasok siya dito.
Kaya din.
Yun ba lang natin. Hindi natin talaga yun. Pero hindi siya crossing yun. Hindi crossing. Kalayo siya eh. Alam ko ba?
Free throw pare. 2 free throw yan. Tira kayo. Tigas mo, Chip.
Order number 1. Backdoor. 15 to shoot. Bautista. Number 33. Miguel Iván Bustos. Quezon. Down there. Wala po Tangango. Quezon para po Steven. 15 to shoot. Quezon. 10 to shoot. Miguel. Inabakan. Miguel, number 1 on the pass. Albana. Good for two. James Taylor. Black foul, there's number 51. Warning for foul out for personal foul. Take the shoot. 5 to shoot. Alabado. Nothing. And there's the whistle. Foul jersey number 61. Second personal down. Third team foul. First one to the last row. Hey, second row. Last. Wala pa rin. Terada. So, Orban, number 51. Nice pass. Subdivision. Quezon. 15 shot now. 10 to shoot. Alabado. Miguel. Alabado pa rin. Wala pa rin. Block. Dalawa kayo. Hindi na paabuan. Number 11. Toto. Salgario number 33. Miguel. Foul jersey number 44. Holding foul first personal foul. Good for two by Robert Otto. Rodriguez. Number 37, the Peter Shoot. Junicio, time to shoot. Again. To Otto. To number 11, rejected. Otton. No good. Rebound Pagaduan. Jump ball. Red ball. Rodriguez. 15 to shoot. Alabado. No good. Look at Bustos. No good. Black ball.
Mito ba? Mito sa labas.
He's on. 15 to shoot. Gravity. Otton. Otton. Bustos. Alabado. Bonicio. He's on. Good for two. Cage favorite. Capini number. He's on. Out. 15 shot line. No good. Bustos. Basket. Foul goes number 66. Warning for foul out number 66. Warning for penalty na. Nangayot ba ito?
Take time pare, take time. Pero ikaw na bahala na sa akin. Pero ito to. Tuwatakbo kasi lagi yan.
No good. Rebound Pagaduan. Otton number 69. Solgarino. Back to Otton. No good. Otton rebound. Bautista. Bola hit. Otton play. 3 points.
Alok lang ready. Sige, kaya na.
Good. Pagaduan. Holding foul jersey number 17. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Game recap, second team foul. Ang alis naman at warning for penalty pa. Black. Polani. Defense. 15 to shoot. Still, hit the goal. Olave, defense.
Biyak kayo, biyak, biyak, biyak!
Season.
Kaya pa yan.
Adam. Polani. Natabi na sa ball. Bautista to Adam. 5 to shoot. Polani to. Elevado, inside pass. There's the whistle, foul goes number 33. Warning for foul out for Manila. Penalty. Sayang na, apat na rin. Next one. Pasok. Huli.
Ayan, ano yan, malayo pa yan.
Bautista. Pagaduan. To Open. 15 to shoot. Pagaduan to Bautista. Back to Pagaduan. Good goal two. Elevado. Nice pass. Good goal to Diriso.
Harap na, harap na.
Paano ba kayo agad?
Habana. Bautista. 10 to shoot. Habana. To Pagaduan. No good. We ran out of time. Last 2 minutes. Elevado. Steve Navidad. No good. Elevado. Lahan. Pagaduan sa isa. Ball goes number 17. Warning for foul out. Third team down. Pagaduan. Adam. Polani. Nigel. Nice pass. Good goal two. Over the way. Nigel. Juan Vinicio. Vinicio de Inglés. Number 33, Bautista, Polani, number 74. One in the play. And the shoot. 5 to shoot. Rivera. Kapag na Rivera. Tugang Pagaduan. 35 seconds to play. 13 50 seconds away. 15 on the shot clock. With that ball, here's the game.